We are going to solve the activity 185 by using the method of addition and subtraction. The purpose of this method is to find a way to eliminate one variable so that we can isolate the one that is left and get the value of this variable. I am going to rewrite first the first system. This is the x plus y equals 3, and the other one is minus x plus 6y equals 1. If we observe this system, we already have the way to eliminate one of the variables. So I just will proceed to make the addition. If I add x and minus x, I will cancel and I will get 7y equals 4. Now you know how to do, you know what to do here. We are going to isolate the letter y by taking the 7 to the other side. You know the inverse operation of the multiplication is the division. Y will be equal to 0.57. Now we found one of the variables, so we need to find the letter x. I will plug in the value into my first equation. Instead of writing the letter y, I will write the value 0.57 and I will get the value of x by isolating the letter. So you know it is adding, so it goes to the other side subtracting, and then the x will be equal to 2.43. And we're done. If you prove it, you will see that this is correct. But now in the letter B, we have a problem because we don't have two numbers with different sign to eliminate, like in this case. So we need to find a way to have numbers that are opposite to eliminate. So I will rewrite the letter B. The equation is 6x minus 2y equals 0. And the other one is 7x minus 3y equals minus 4. What should I do to get two opposite numbers with the same, it means the same coefficient with different signs? Well, I am going to find, I can do it with this one and this one, but I think it's easier to work with the y. So I will find two numbers that gives me the same coefficient with different signs. So if I multiply this times 3, I will get minus 6y. And if I multiply this times 2, I will get the same number. So as I'm trying to cancel them, I will use minus 2. Let's solve this new system that we will get by multiplying times 3. The first one will be 18x minus 6y equals 0 times 3 will be 0. And the second one is minus 2 times 7 will be minus 14. X plus 6y equals 8. Now I have a new system. I will add them together and say the answer. 18 minus 14 will be 4x. Then I can cancel the 6y because they are the same coefficient with different signs. And then we can say that 0 plus 8 is 8. Now easily, I know what to do. I isolate the letter x by taking the number 4 to the other side, dividing, and then I get that the x is equal to the number 2. Now you know what to do. Just plug in this value into one of the equations. I will choose the first one. So 6x minus 2y equals 0. Then what I am going to do is to substitute the value into the equation. Times 2, because I'm taking out the letter x, minus 2y equals 0. Then I solve the parentheses will be 12 minus 2y equals 0. And then I know that I need to isolate my letter y. So it will be 2y negative equals 0. As this is positive, it comes negative to the other side. And I know that minus 2y will be equal to minus 12. And then y goes like this. I need to take the minus 2 to the other side dividing. And then I say that the y is equal to 6 positive. Now I have my answers. You can prove it by substituting the value of x and y, and you will see that this is correct. So the answers here, in the first one, we have the order pair 2.43, 0.57. This will be the first answer, and the second answer will be, let's see, the value of x was 2 and the value of y was 6. So that's the order pair that is the answer. You can do the following one as